My name is Matt and welcome back to another Tech Talk. This week we're taking a look at the APC Concrete Repair Kit. Essentially, our Concrete Repair Kit is a 3-part product that consists of our GP Clear Part A, our GP Clear Part B, and ceramic or silica sand, meaning it's customizable to your individual project so that you, the installer, can control the mix and determine the best solution. Which you choose out of the ceramic and silica sand ultimately depends on the nature of the repair. For thin cracks and holes, you'll be wanting a thinner consistency to allow for soaking into the crack, and ceramic is a smaller particle and offers a stronger bond to the concrete for the finer, more detailed work. For larger repairs like deep holes and areas that need significant build-up and reformation, you'll want to opt for the thicker consistency, so I'd recommend using the silica sand. The Concrete Repair Kits are compatible with all of our systems as it uses the same base resin. Both options can also be accelerated with, guess what? Accelerator. You'll just need to replace some of the Part B with Accelerator according to our technical data sheets. This will shorten the cure time, thus allowing you to start the system application sooner. The biggest advantage is the versatility in viscosity and consistency you have about changing the amount of ceramic or sand that you use. But if you don't feel like mixing up your own, we also have an easy to mix epoxy putty kit, which are kind of a thick, goopy liquid consistency and convenient for quick fixes on smaller repairs. That's all for today. If you have any questions about concrete repair, feel free to answer them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.